guys, and welcome to my channel. I am back with another DIY today for perfect and flawless skincare. We're going to be using three major ingredients. I have my carrot, my lemon, and my potato. For this carrot, I had washed it thoroughly and I had scraped it off the first layer to make sure that there's no dirt or whatsoever again. For my potato and my lemon, I have also washed them thoroughly and I am just drying them because I don't need the residue of water because of the treatment I'm going to be doing. So you want to start with any of those ingredients basically. At the end of the day, we are still going to be mixing them together. So it's okay for you to start with any of them. So you are going to get a grater. That smaller part of the grater is what you should use. And I'm just going to be using the rind of the lemon. I just need the lemon zest. I'm just going to go back and forth to scrape or to grate until I get enough of my lemon. When I have enough, like you can see, I'll go in with my potato. This is raw potato, it has not been cooked. If you use the cooked one, unfortunately, you won't get as much liquid. We need it in its raw form. So I'll just go ahead and like grate all my potato all together. Like you can see, make sure you grate everything. I'm using like a small sized potato, and like I said earlier on, make sure that your potato is washed thoroughly because like you can see it's raw. Make sure that all the dirt, all the toxins have been gotten rid of so that you know that you're applying something that is safe and secure on your face. And the next and the last ingredient, of course, is my carrot. I'll make sure that I grate this thoroughly until when I have been able to get enough of my carrot. Use the smaller parts of your grater so that you can achieve it in smaller parts. I said earlier on that we are combining all the ingredients together. So it doesn't matter which one you start with first. So I have my carrot which has been blended nicely. Make sure it is in smaller, like when you blend it's small so that way you'll be sure you get some juice from it. If it is too big, you won't be able to get anything from it. I'm going to be mixing all this together thoroughly to make sure that everything is well fused together. At the end of the day, it's not going to be orange or sorry, it's not going to be lemon or potato or carrot. Everything together, and these three ingredients, guys, is everything you need for flawless perfect skin that has no spots whatsoever. If you use this, oh my god, they will ask you for the secret. And I have added everything together, I have mixed it all together. The next thing I'm going to be doing, of course, is to sieve it. This might take a while, but guys, patience is a virtue and you reap the rewards after you've done all this. You might not get enough juice or a lot of juice, but that tiny bit you're getting is pure gold. Like I said, make sure you don't add any water to it as much as possible throughout this process. Make sure that no water interferes because if you have water, it might alter the pH and to alter what you're achieving. You have this small amount from all that, but guys, this is pure juice. Don't even worry because all I need is just about a teaspoon. You don't even need too much for this particular dosage or for this particular recipe I'm using. You don't need too much. So I am going to be using aloe vera gel. Please use the cosmetic one because that already has its own preservatives. If you use the raw one, it will go bad. And let me just see, I used about 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of my juice. That teaspoon is quite small, that's why I added 2. So I'm also going to be adding some coconut oil as well because everything is going to be applied on your face. You can use any other oil of your choice. If you prefer using olive oil on your face, if you prefer using jojoba oil on your face, it's perfectly fine. I'll also add some vitamin E oil because vitamin E oil is perfect for skincare. It moisturizes your skin. It won't make it too ashy because the lemon, the potato might make it too ashy, so that's why we're adding the vitamin E oil to balance everything all together. And this step is entirely optional. You can add some essential oil. I'm going to be adding some tea tree because, of course, tea tree is one of the best essential oils for skincare. If you have acne or any kind of like skin ailment, adding tea tree oil is going to help you tremendously. And after I've added all those ingredients, remember the juice from the beginning, the carrot, the lemon, and the Irish potato. That was the juice we extracted and we added it to our aloe vera juice. We added some coconut oil. I said you can add any other oil of your choice. I added some vitamin E oil. Please, vitamin E is very, very good. I would advise you not to skip it. The only one you can decide to skip is your essential oils if you don't want to. So mix everything together. By the time you mix this is like you formulated your own cream, basically, your own flawless, no black spots, that kind of cream that you can use on your face. I like this because you can store this in your room for up to a month and it won't go bad because you've used like that cosmetic aloe vera, and that aloe vera also works very, very well. So you don't have any fear that okay, you're adding something bad to your face. Please do a patch test first before you add it to every part of your face. You can like test along your jawline, then before you go on to applying it all over your face. Apply this at night before you go to bed for like 10 to 15 minutes. If you want to, you can go to bed with it. If you don't want to, you can like rinse it off and apply your moisturizer. I would advise you to also like apply this at least once to two times a week so that all those spots on your face, all those blemishes will clear off. The carrot will help to make your face glow. The Irish potato and the lemon have bleaching properties that will get rid of all the dark spots that has been left on your face, probably from acne or whatsoever, hormonal, any kind of black spots on your face. It will help you. You can store up the remaining juice in your refrigerator or you can even freeze it for another time. Like I said, it's pure gold, so store it up very well. Once you freeze it, you can even freeze it for a long time, for months, until when you're ready to use it. I hope this helps you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly share, kindly subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed already, because I've got so many more tips and recipes for you to learn from. I hope to see you in other videos. Stay healthy. Bye.